Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about my top favorite foundation. I have tried to cover foundations which can suit all skin types. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. In no particular order, the first foundation that I get in my hand is the LA Girl Pro Coverage HD foundation. I recently started using this foundation. I have used it for good 5-6 times and I am absolutely loving this foundation. Today I'm actually wearing this foundation with this makeup look. This foundation gives medium to buildable coverage. It gives a very nice flawless finish. It's really blendable. It does not look matte, but it gives a dewy finish on your skin, on your face. I am in the shade Fair. It's GLM642 Fair, and yeah, I totally recommend you guys this foundation. It is under rupees 1000. Now, since these foundations are not easily available in India, there are very few dealers who actually sell these foundations, so there might be a little variation in the prices here and there, but as far as I remember, I got this foundation for 825 rupees. And anyways guys, I will be mentioning all the prices down below in the description box, so don't worry about that. So LA Girl Pro Coverage HD Liquid Foundation is one of my top favorites. The second one that I have in my hand is the very favorite L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Stay Fresh Liquid Foundation. Now, a lot of bloggers, a lot of makeup artists have actually been raving about this foundation. This is not anything which is new in the market. It has been around for a really long time now, and I absolutely love this foundation as well. This also gives medium to buildable coverage. It gives a very natural finish, flawless finish. It is dewy, it's not matte, but it does not feel heavy on your skin. That's the best part about this foundation. And also the fact that this foundation has a really long stay. In fact, all the foundations that I'm going to be talking about today have more or less the same features. That's why they are in my top favorite category. As far as the price is concerned, I can't see the price. This one is a little steep in terms of price. It retails for 1325 rupees, but it is quite a good size of bottle. It is going to last really long, and I completely recommend you guys to try this foundation out. The next foundation is my newly found love, the PAC HD Liquid Foundation. I am in the shade 2.0. This is actually not my exact shade. I just did a hit and trial and I got this shade, but this foundation by itself is so blendable that the shade just goes so well with my natural skin tone, and I'm really happy with the payoff of this foundation. This also gives a medium to buildable coverage. It is super blendable. It has a really long stay. So yeah, anyways, this is the PAC HD Liquid Foundation. As far as the price is concerned, I'm not very sure. It's 725 rupees, something like that, but it's definitely under 1000 rupees. I will mention the price for you guys. But if you are actually planning to give a try to this foundation, then you must definitely do that. The fourth foundation in my hand is the Maybelline Dream Satin Skin with SPF 24. This has been by far my go-to foundation. This is my third bottle, and there are days when you just don't want to wear any foundation, but you still want to look fresh. You want to look fresh and you want to look a little glowy. So this is the foundation to go for. This does not give you a very high coverage, but definitely medium coverage, but it does a great job in covering the blemishes and the spots. It sort of evens out your skin tone. It has a great stay. It's not very heavy on your skin, and this is one foundation which I still can think of using in summers, because my skin gets extremely oily in summers and I sweat a lot on my face. This foundation does not give me a tough time, so I really love it. So the price is not mentioned on the bottle because I have just removed the outer coverage, but I will mention the price down below in the description box. The next foundation is also a newly found love, and that's the Note Foundation. The one that I have is the Luminous Moisturizing Foundation. It has SPF 15. This foundation is specifically meant for dry skin, because Note has 3 different variants of foundations. This one is meant for dry skin. Then they have another one which is for oily skin, and that's called the mattifying foundation. So for all those girls out there who have oily skin, you can definitely go and check out the Note mattifying foundation for oily skin. And then they have a third variety of foundation which is meant for sensitive skin. So anyways, moving on, this is the foundation that I have been using and I'm absolutely in love with this foundation. I mean guys, I really don't know which of these foundations is my favorite because they all are so good, and that is why I decided to do this video and share with you guys the goodness that these foundations have, and all of them are as good as each other. So anyways, moving on, I'm in the shade 05 Honey Beige. This foundation comes with SPF 15, so that gives you protection against UVA and UVB rays to an extent, and also the fact that this gives a very nice coverage. It's not a very heavy, intense, full coverage sort of foundation, but as I said, it covers most of the blemishes. But if you have extremely dark circles or dark spots or pigmentation marks, then you need to cover them up with a corrector or a concealer beforehand. But nonetheless, this is a really, sorry, my phone just buzzed. Sorry guys. As I was saying, so this foundation is a really great foundation for a day-to-day wear. It feels very light, it gives a very fresh, dewy finish. It's super blendable and I absolutely love this foundation. Now I have 3 more options with me, and these foundations are specifically meant for oily skin. The first that I have in my hand is the Maybelline Dream Velvet Soft Matte Hydrating Foundation. Now this is actually not a foundation, but it is a mousse, which is an upgraded version of the original mousse that Maybelline used to have in that container, in that little pot, if you guys have used it, if you remember. Now they have converted that, or I would say upgraded that mousse in a velvety soft matte foundation. This has a consistency of a mousse. It's not a liquid foundation. It's definitely a cream based but very lightweight, moussey sort of a foundation. It's great for oily skin because it looks absolutely matte. It helps to control the excess oil, and as far as the coverage is concerned, since it's a mousse, it does not give you heavy coverage, but again, it's a great option for day-to-day wear. It's very good for oily skin people and it sort of brightens up your complexion, and I am absolutely loving this product. I use it on days when I feel my skin is oily, or for summers. Definitely it's my go-to foundation, and I'm in the shade 40 Nude. The only downside with these foundations is that it's available only in 6 shades, and on the counters you will generally find 4 shades. So choosing a shade for yourself, especially for we Indians, because we have so many different skin tones, it gets a little difficult, but nonetheless, if you guys find a shade for yourself from this range of foundations, then you must definitely give it a try. And as far as the price is concerned, I think it's somewhere around 700 something. As I said, I'll mention the prices down below. The next foundation is the Stay Matte Foundation from Rimmel. This also is a great option for oily skin people. It is very lightweight. It almost feels like nothing on your face. It feels as if you've just applied a very mild gel-based or water-based moisturizer. It gives you some coverage, but it definitely brightens up your complexion. It gives a very nice dewy finish. It does not look absolutely matte, though it says that it's Stay Matte, but it does not make your skin or your face oily. As I said, it just settles dewy, but it stays like that. It does not convert into oily or greasy looking foundation. It's great, it's lightweight, it stays up to 12 hours, and it also helps to control the excess shine. I absolutely love this foundation. I got it from Nykaa.com, and this one retails for 450 rupees. Last but not the least is the L'Oreal Matte Magique 12 Hour Foundation. I have reviewed this foundation in detail in one of my videos. I will link that videos for you guys. And by the way, I have also reviewed the PAC HD Liquid Foundation on my channel. I will be linking that to you guys as well. So moving on, this foundation has also been one of my go-to foundations, especially in summers. It is absolutely matte. I won't even say it gives you a dewy finish or anything of that sort. It gives you an absolute matte finish. It stays matte. You don't even have to touch it up with a compact. You don't have to set it with a compact. pack because it's very matte. So I would not recommend this foundation for people who have dry skin, because this will make your skin very dry unless and until you moisturize your skin really well. But otherwise, for oily skin people, it's a great option. But it does have a lot of shades to choose from. I will mention the price of this one as well in the description box because I completely forgotten the prices. So anyways guys, these were my top favorite foundations, and my skin is also a combination skin. In winters it becomes dry, at times it's normal, at times my T-zone is oily, rest of the face is dry, summers I feel very oily. So I actually use all these foundations in a combination basis how my skin is behaving. And also guys, I wanted to share with you about my blog. I have started my blog a while ago. It's still very new. I think I started my blog in the month of October, and I have some 10 blog posts already up. I would request you guys to go ahead and check my blog. I will be blogging about all these foundations very soon on my blog with detailed story or detailed details about these foundations. And my blog is basically a beauty, fashion and a lifestyle blog. I already have some interesting blogs about some makeup products, hair care, skin care, some shopping tips and experiences from Rajasthan. So yeah, it's a fun blog. I will be really grateful and thankful to you guys if you head to my blog, show it some love, and also read the blogs and let me know how you find them. So guys, this was my top favorite foundations. I hope you find this video enjoyable and informative, and if you did, then don't forget to show this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to leave your comments and do subscribe to my channel guys for a lot more fun and interesting videos. So till we meet next time, stay happy, stay safe, always be beautiful and be positive. Bye guys, love you.